Welcome to the Student Academic Learning Services video on the product rule for exponents. In this video, we're going to define the product rule in generic terms and then use it to solve a couple of simple examples. Okay, we're going to take a look at what exactly the product rule is, and then we're going to move on to these examples afterwards. So what the product rule is it states that if we have the same base, x, and we have exponents a and b, so x to the exponent a times x to the exponent b is equal to x to the exponent a plus b. Okay, now I know that's a generic example and it's not really concrete, so hopefully after we go through these two examples it'll become a little bit more concrete in your mind. So we're going to look at this first example, 2 squared times 2 cubed. Okay, so we have the same base, 2, so we're just going to write that down. And our exponents, we're just going to add together, so 2 plus 3. So we end up with 2 to the 5th, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Okay. Moving on to our second example here. We have 3 squared times 3 squared. So, same base is 3, and we're going to add those exponents, 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, so we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. So there's a couple of simple examples using the product rule. If you just remember the generic form of the product rule, you should never make a mistake with these. It really is just simple addition and then expanding it with the exponent to solve for the final answer. That concludes our video on the product rule for exponents. If you have any questions regarding the material covered in this video, I recommend you come to the SAL Center located in room 204 of the Student Services building and make an appointment with the appropriate learning skills advisor. Thanks for watching.